Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here by famiware. It is a set of mugs. I'll show you what they are. Thank you for choosing famiware. If you received your set with problems, let us know. Okay, and this is what it is. Look at this mug. We got one mug, two mugs. These are great little coffee mugs and stuff. They got nice, good quantity that'll hold in there. It's like a Stoneware kind of mug. There it is, full of them. There's the box. So this is what it is here. These are the colors. I think they're all different. They are all different. So these are the colors, and these are awesome mugs. They seem nice and durable and glazed and really pretty. They got like a little rim on it you see around there. And then the bottom has this little part here where it's like, yeah, I guess when they fire it, they need to do that. So these are really cool. Microwave safe as well. You can see right there. Microwave safe. These are cool. Dishwasher safe, microwave safe. Cool. These are going to be nice mugs. So it's getting to be winter time here soon. And we're going to make hot cocoa and coffee and things like that. And have mugs now finally in the house. Thumbs up for sure.